I hope you guys are doing well. So we are at our part 6 of our Blender beginner series. The last part where we did loop cuts, and in this one we are going to looking at extrusions and insetting. These two parts are basically the bare basics of 3D modeling, so I hope you follow along. So to extrude, obviously the first thing you need to do is click and select your object and then click on tab to go into edit mode. Now you can extrude by doing two things. I'll just go into face select mode and select this specific face by left clicking on the mouse, and you can actually see the other option on the side, and I'll just click on this extrusion one, and I'll just click and drag and move it. Now what's the difference between this and just pulling a face out by clicking on the G key? If I click on the G key, and you can just move it still. The difference is that it created new geometry. It kept the original loop cut around. For example, if I were to just here, and if I had the original series selected and dial G, obviously the difference is that there is no extra loop cut, and it actually adds the new geometry. So this is one way to do it, but the better way or the easier way is to use a shortcut. So the shortcut for extrusion is E. Click on any face and click on E, and you can just start moving it. By default, Blender keeps the direction of the keeps the axis same. Okay, so it's automatically locking me in the axis where I'm extruding. But what if I don't want to extrude on this specific? Before we continue, please consider subscribing. Only 9% of you are actually subscribed. My goal is to reach 2.5k subs by the end of this year, and drop a like and a comment while you're at it. If I want to move it in any direction, I can just always click on E and just extrude it, and then I can G and change the direction wherever I want to. So the next option is inset. I'm not done with extrusion, but for now I'll just show you how to insert. Suppose let's just say you want to model a chimney. I'll just take this cube, and we can just select this face, move it up, and we can extrude it like this, and just our basic run-of-the-mill chimney. So the first option, again, I guess I'll just have to show you the other extrusion option. So I just want this to be expanded along all of these options. Okay, so I'm just going to click on Alt E. Okay, and now it's going to ask me what I want to do. I can extrude face. This is the basic menu, but I usually only use it for extrude along normals, and when I click it, it will ask me where I want to move it. So as you can see, it now started moving these faces outside. So that's one way to do it. Okay, and as you can see, it also kept these faces thickness. Typically, if I were to, let's just say, let me just add a UV sphere again and tab into edit mode, and if I were to normally do this, just click on E, and then as you can see, there is this problem. You can't actually move it on, but when I start scaling it, they are coming out. The difference is, as you can see, these faces are getting bigger. They got bigger. Okay, they didn't maintain their space over here. So obviously we can just go as Z and then start scaling them on the Z axis to maintain them, but by extruding them along the normals, it actually maintained the thickness. It didn't got bigger. So now their second way to this next option is going to be related to insetting. So insetting could be useful for creating holes and stuff. So if I go into over here, click on this face, and then click on I, as you can see, the same thing got created, but now I can just click on delete, and I can just delete this. Click on the delete key, and then click on delete faces, and now I have a hole easily cut in on any surface. There are obviously other options for this, but this is the easily basic use. So you can again I inset, and obviously you can scale this inset again if you want to. So I think this is the best related to, this is everything related to extrusions and insetting. So I hope you guys learned something today. Please leave a like and comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and watch another one of my videos, as that's how the YouTube algorithm works. It's a small channel and it won't cost you anything. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next video.